I spoke, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've given from. If you're new here, my name is Leah. You don't need a fresh retwist to do these styles.
I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. Just make sure you ready, baby, cause I'm down for anything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Timing is everything. Tell me when you ready, baby, cause you know when it's so. Give me when. You know I need it. I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Oh yeah, cause Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my head, I mix my liquor. Fuck them other niggas, yeah. Jesus turned his water into wine. Put some rum in my head, I mix my liquor. Don't be fucking other niggas when you go. Can wait. My baby needs a toe. Can wait.
And that's all I got for y'all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more from me. And if you guys want to know anything else about locks, like the process, etc., then put your comments down below. I'm gonna do a Q&A soon so y'all can get to know me better. And if you want to know more about my locks and how I started them, then that would be a great place and great time to ask. I did not do that in this video. It's really just a sped up video of my go-to styles, and yeah, I'm exhausted. I love you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
I got Grey Goose in my system and I'm trying to give a fuck, cause I'm a lawyer tonight and hate you when